If you release music on Spotify, then it is impossible to ignore Spotify Canvas. Spotify even says themselves that songs with the Spotify Canvas video have a 4 times more likelihood to get more saves and playlist ads. But first of all, what is a Spotify Canvas video? A Spotify Canvas is a 3 to 8 second video that you can upload to your song, which accompanies it. So when people are in the preview mode of your song and they're scrolling through or listening to your song, there can be a little video that plays, which drives a lot more engagement and allows your song to become way more shareable. So in less than 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to create one of these and upload them to your songs so you can get more streams and more saves and more royalties. So here I am in my trusted Spotify.artist dashboard, and as you can see here, I have an upcoming release, and if I scroll down, it says Add Canvas. So I'm going to click on that. And so if I click on Add Canvas here, and I click Add Canvas, this is where it shows you the measurements that it needs to be, 9 by 16, 720 pixels tall, and it can be an MP4 or a JPEG, and it needs to be 3 to 8 seconds long. So let's make one of these right now. So I've opened up my Canva software here, and I'm going to click on Instagram Story because I want that 9 by 16, and so that gives me the right sizing to work with. The next thing, I'm going to click on my uploads right here. And now I'm going to grab a video and I'm going to drag it over here. Okay, so I found this video here that's actually 29 seconds. And so I'm going to chop it up, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it in here. And now this is in Spotify Canva, and now I'm going to drag it over here. And now that's playing. Now I'm going to click Edit Video, and I'm going to click Trim, pause, and then I'm going to drag this down to, I'm going to do 7.9 just so we're safe, and then I'm going to click Done, then I'm going to click Share, then I'm going to click Download. Now I click Download, now that it's done processing. Okay, it says right here that I've got my file, so now I'm going to go back to my artist dashboard. Now I'm back to my artist dashboard, click plus, click on this file. Boom, now the video's in there. Does your Canvas contain explicit content? No. Click Next. I agree. Post. It says processing. It says your Canvas could take up to 10 minutes to process. You may close this window. We'll let you know when it's done. Now, we'll click Close here now. Now, if your song is already out, then you would just click on Music. You would click Songs. Or releases is fine too, and so I can now click on like this instrumental. I know that this doesn't have a canvas. Well, I can add a canvas here. If the song already has a canvas, if I click on this one, it says Manage Canvas. So I would go through all your most popular songs, definitely the songs that you're promoting. You definitely want to have a Canvas video on it because it's like you're spending money to promote a song and you released it. You might as well take advantage of this free tool or opportunity to get more streams and more playlist ads, especially when Spotify has told you that you'll get 4 times more streams. For more training and tips, I really encourage you to get our Song Launch Checklist 2024 that goes through everything you could possibly need to release a song, whether that's promoting a new one or breathing life into an old one. You get all these bonuses and all this training, including the ebook, for only $7. Go to smartmusicbusiness.com/book.